What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to record an online meeting on Google Meet. So let's get started. So first you need to head over to the Google Meet's website, and then if you want to start a new instant meeting, click on this new meeting and then click on start an instant meeting. But if you want to create a meeting for later, you can click on this button like create a meeting for later. And if you want to schedule a meeting, you can click on schedule in Google Calendar and it will open the Google Calendar. From there, you can just enter all the details and the meeting will be scheduled. Let's say I am creating an instant to show you how to record it. And as you can see, I am currently in the meeting. So first, if I want to add someone in the meeting, I'll just copy this link and then share it to all the members whom I want to invite. And here are the video and audio options to turn on and off. And after that, here is your screen share option. Now to record the video, you just need to install an extension which is called as Awesome Screen Recorder. Now where you will find it, I'll just tell you. So first you need to click on the three dots on the right side if you are using Chrome. And after that, you just need to hover to the extension section and then click on Visit Web Store. And from here at the top in the search bar, you need to type Awesome Screen Recorder and then click on this. And after clicking on this extension will open. After opening this extension, you just need to click on add to your browser's name. And when you click on it, this will automatically install this integration. And after installing this integration, here you will see the pop-up to add integration. Click on that and then your integration will be added here in the shortcuts. And whenever you are using Google Meet, just simply click on this puzzle-like icon, which is the extensions icon, and then click on this awesome screen recorder to start recording. And when you click on this, here you will see the default shortcuts that are being used. And after that, you can just alter these settings according to your wish and requirement. And when you are done, you just simply start recording. And this is how you can record a meeting in Google Meet, or you can record a video call in Google Meet. As you can see, when I clicked again, you can see there are multiple options, like you can record this particular tab, you can record the whole desktop, you can record only your camera, and if you want to custom, you can just custom that too. And then if you want to turn on the microphone and camera, you can turn them on from here. And when you have applied all the settings, just click on start recording and then it will start the recording. So this is how you can do it. It was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.